So you're interested in the Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. This is one of the best dual consoles on the market and has been for a better part of a decade. Let's start on the back of this thing. Hanging off the transom, we have twin Mercury 300 V8 Verados, one of Mercury's most reliable outboards ever made. They are the most efficient and the most maneuverable with the joystick piloting for outboard system. Just in front of these engines, we have the transom. We have rod holders across the transom wall here. On the port quarter, we have our live well as well. On that starboard quarter, we have a freshwater washdown shower so that you're not tracking salt and sand through the entire boat if you are going to hang out at a sandbar or just go swimming. As you can see, we have this massive transom seat. The transom seat is very deep. The reason why a Whaler does that is so that the seat cushion goes all the way to the back of your knees, and you'd be surprised on how much less fatigue you have at the end of the day. Something that I love that Whaler does, that you won't find in many of its competitors, when you fold this away, when you're going fishing and you need this cockpit space, we still have a combing bolster here so that you have cushion while you're fighting that fish. Your thighs won't get bruised. But many competitors, the transom seat folds downwards, which is leaving the bottom cushion completely exposed to kicks, to hooks, to knives, to fish. So a lot of people on the competitors end up having to replace that cushion way too often. On Whaler, you have hard gel coat fiberglass, which goes to that rigidity and durability that Whaler offers. So on the port side here, we have a dive door. So press the button, flip down, and open right up. Our dive ladder will go in right here so that if you are going to do some diving, you have a nice big sturdy ladder in lieu of the starboard quarter there. We also have this handrail to help pull yourself up. And as you can see, we have a ton of stainless steel on this boat. Whaler uses the best stainless steel on the market, 3/16. We have massive hinges here as well. All of the hardware, like I said, premium is Whaler. Let's go further into the cockpit. Now moving up into the cockpit, I like to point out 280 Vantage's robust oversized hardtop here. We have a ton of sun coverage, but we also get the fishability. We have rocket launchers on the back side of the hardtop, and then we have more rocket launchers on both of the columns here. When you make your way up, we also have more grab rails on the center line as well, which is great when you're actually moving. That way you're not hanging on or pushing off of seats where people may be sitting. You can just reach up and grab, and you're always safe and stable. We also have a very wide array of different seating positions here. We have this starboard side jump seat. Starboard side jump seat is a really good spotter seat if you are doing some water sports. So if you wanted to tow skis, tubes, this is your guy right here. You sit backwards, you're spotting, and you're right behind the captain so you can yell into his ear when somebody falls off. We also have storage underneath there. That is finished gel coat fiberglass, and it is self-draining. So you can fill this up. It's also insulated, so you can fill this up with ice, throw your beverages in there, and while the ice melts, it drains right off the boat. Just in front of that jump seat, we have a nice little prep station here. We have a sink. And then on the bottom side of this lid, we have a built-in cutting board so that if you are preparing some sandwiches or if you catch something and you want to cook it up real quick, we have a cutting board dedicated just for that. We have more storage underneath as well, so you have plenty of places to store your things. Now, on this port side, this is synonymous with the Vantage brand. No other manufacturer has anything like this. So right now we have this seat arranged so we have 2 people facing aft, 2 people facing forward. Now, if you wanted to get a little bit more comfy, now we are positioned for an aft-facing lounge. This position is really good if people are in and out of the head compartment. You can still open the door and access that, not a problem. If there's not a lot of people in and out, you can drop this all the way down to make more of like a day bed. And then they upholstered the door of the head so that you still have a backrest. Now this is a full leg length starboard side lounger. You can sit, relax. You can even slide down and take a nap on this thing if you needed to. When we bring this back up, we have dedicated storage underneath. That is your robust dive ladder right there. Actually, and I forgot to show you one thing. So pop this out, put that into the groove, drop that all the way back down. Now you have a forward-facing full leg length lounger as well. On the front half of that lounger, you have even more storage. There is no shortage of storage on the 280 Vantage. That's what makes it the most practical 28-foot dual console on the market. On the port side console of the 280 Vantage, we have a glove box that is lockable. So if you are going to go do some dining and docking, you have somewhere to put your valuables and you can lock it away. So you don't have to bring everything with you. We also have this really nice, beautifully integrated door. You can barely tell it is. Also, I want to point out, again, Boston Whaler and hardware. Massive handles that go with that durability and rigidity. This is your oversized head. Not only do you have sea deck going down on the deck in there so you're not slipping and you're not falling, but you also have a Corian countertop with a sink. The sink head is on a hose, so you can use this as a freshwater shower. You also have a vacuum flush head down there. The 280 Vantage also offers this new storage solution. It is this starboard rack that drops down and gives you shelf storage, so if you're not using the head very often or at all, you have dedicated storage and you're maximizing that space. Now, welcome to the helm of the 280 Vantage. This is my favorite spot as an operator. We have the captain's chair with a flip-up bolster there. We also have the flip-up, flip-down armrests, of course. The chair also does pivot, so it spins 360 degrees. So if you are at the dock or you're at anchor, you can face your guests. The chair will also slide forward and backward, up and down, so that you're getting the most comfortable operating position you can. We also have the leather-wrapped steering wheel, whaler style. We also have it on a tilt, so again, you can get as comfortable as you possibly can. On that right-hand side, we have the Mercury joystick piloting. This is your best friend, especially if you're single-handing it. We have autopilot on there, as well as skyhook. We have a lot of tactile buttons here because Whaler, we're just reliable, right? We also have our Lenco trim tabs here, our JL audio knob. On the left-hand side, we have our Simrad VHF, nice and easy, accessible. We have this beautiful acrylic dash with a 12-inch Simrad NSX that has the best transducer imagery on there, as well as auto routing so that you can just tap a point on the map and it will build you the route straight to it. Inside the starboard console, under the helm, we have access to our air dam here, where you can close that off and then flip over the windshield to block some wind if it does get a little colder out while you're out there. But this also gives us access to our storage door for this starboard console. If you come on and look, this is housing a 5-gallon pail bucket as well as our cockpit table. This is also a great use of plenty of storage. I also like to point out to people how robust this windshield is. It's not flimsy and it's not thin. It's about 1.5 inches thick of powder-coated steel. And then if you take a look at this hinge as well, this hinge is completely oversized. It's just part of the Whaler build. Everything is overdone, everything is overbuilt. The bow of the 280 Vantage is super nice in my opinion. Not only do you have high backrests and wide seats, but you also have really high gunnels. So when you are sitting down in your chase loungers up front, you have padding all the way up, and then you have that beautiful stainless steel grab rail so you're feeling secure and safe at all times. You also have flip down armrests for the chases, making you just that much more comfortable. Going back to the storage under that starboard side console, however, I do want to point out that you have secondary access from the bow as well. And this is why I really want to point this out. So you have your 5-gallon pail, and then if you look all the way in the back, you'll see that black felt, that black line there. You put the tips of your fishing rods through there, and then you have a bracket with a bungee here where you put your reel and your handle. Once you close this compartment back up, the latch is locking. So using a key, you can lock this hatch, and then you can also lock the hatch here so that you don't have to bring your rods and reels with you every single time you're done on the boat, making it that much more convenient. Another thing I want to point out is that this boat is outfitted with a Simrad radar as well. So if you are trying to do some night fishing or even fishing fog and bad weather, not a problem, you can see where you're going. If you have any questions about the Boston Whaler 280 Vantage, or if you want to come down and check it out in person, don't hesitate to give us a call or come on down. 130 Water Street, Norwalk, Connecticut. This is MarineMax Norwalk, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.